Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammed Arslan Shahzad and I am doing my bachelor's in computer science from Virtual University of Pakistan, and also I am one of the interns of batch 18 at interns.pk. Basically, Interns Pakistan is an online platform that offers around 6 week long internship program in front end development, and in which you learn through different challenges and gain practical experience of front end development. So this is my project which I have created by using WordPress, and it's named as Traversing Pakistan, which is an tourism site, and so which we have the landing page of the site on a screen and its own single page application format. And so first of all, we have the header of the website, and on the left side we have the logo, which I have created by using Adobe Illustrator, and in the right we have the primary navigation of the website. So here is the navigation contains home and gallery, upcoming tours and testimonial and contact uh, links of the different links of the site, and which have a beautiful a slide up hover effect. And at home section, first we have a beautiful animation which indicating let's explore the nature, let's explore Pakistan, let's explore world, and a button beneath that also have a beautiful hover effect. And at the background we have a slider that slides out different beautiful sceneries and tourism points. So let's explore. So the first section we have titled as "Spend Your Holidays at Your Dream Place," which indicating different types of uh, tourism, like come for camping, that has a card in which we have an image and a heading of the card and some description. And first of all, like they are offering join them for camping if we want camping in the northern areas of Pakistan. So, and if we you want to enjoy the nature in snow and snowfall and mountains of northern areas of Pakistan, so you can go with this. And also we can enjoy sitting besides the lake, and in which they are offering a visit to beautiful lakes of the Pakistan. And after that we have the gallery section, which is titled as Our Gallery with Some Haunting Memories. And in the first we have a video which you can embed through if you have a video or through a link. And after you have the gallery images which have a hover effect of and tells about the description, a short description of the scene or right image. And moving on, after that we have the in image accordion, and that shows a behavior on mouse hover. So it's also describes the tagline. And after that we have the stats, that is a counter. And after that we have the testimonial section, in which we have some testimonials of happy clients. And moving on, we have the contact us section, in which you have the different fields. By filling out and clicking on submit button, the site administrator get an emails from you, and you will surely get a response by them. And at the end we have the footer section, which contains different a map of which shows the location, and social media icons that shows the icons and other things. So at backend we have this is the backend of the website, and we are using the HDR theme and some plugins like Elementor and Elementor add-ons. So that's and is page. And so that's all from my side. And this is the my website project, which is Traversing Pakistan, and I have completed on interns.pk. Thank you.